Hello YouTube, my name is Nicola. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's play a little bit more with Elementor free page builder. I want to show you how you can create different sections, how you can use the most used elements in Elementor. Our focus is free one, this basic and general. For now, we are going to leave these elements for now. If you ask why, soon I will going to film the complete tutorial, the tutorial about complete website from header to footer in Elementor and OceanWP Theme. So before we start, I will be very happy if you click on subscribe button. If you have any questions, write down in the comments. For more fun, smash the bell. Also, I almost forgot, if you want to know how to create this hero section with nice entrance animation like this, let me refresh this page. Just like this, you can watch in my previous tutorial. Not previous, the tutorial before last. I will put the link into the description. Let's go. Okay guys, now let's go one step back and go to the dashboard in WordPress. First, you need to install the Elementor from plugins repository in WordPress. Then activate it and click on pages. And then go to the page which you want to edit and click this link here, edit with Elementor. Before that, you need to set some changes in OceanWP Theme. Actually, the one plugin, I think, let me see his name. This plugin, Ocean Extra, gives more options and feature for pages in OceanWP Theme. Here, this OceanWP settings. And my settings are that content layout must be full width. Here you can choose the different one. Sidebar, I leave without sidebar. Remove paddings. Then in header, I want to top bar to be displayed, but for now I think I don't need it, but never mind. This is my settings too. This is settings for logo, for menu. For title, I'm going to disable. Breadcrumbs are okay. And footer, I'm going to display footer widgets area, and display copyright area is enabled. Okay, then click on update. And now click here to edit with Elementor. Okay, this is hero section from previous tutorial. Also here you have the menu, and in the top bar is the second menu, but the previous tutorial, it doesn't cover this top bar menu, just only the logo, the header actually, and the hero section. Okay, and now if you click here on this plus sign, you can add new section, and here you can add the template. Take your time and research the Elementor free library. Also, you have here the free pages and blocks, and also the pro one. Of course, you can create your own templates and load it here. Okay. Now click here on this add new section button. And here is the structure. See? For example, let's use this one, the 50-50 width. Okay. And here you have the more settings. For example, for layout, if you click here on edit section and click layout, you can change the content width to be boxed, full width, or change the width if this is boxed. Okay. Then you can delete the column gaps here, or you can change the height, min height, fit to screen, or default. Vertical line also can be top, middle, bottom, and so on. Overflow, default, or hidden. Also, you can activate the stretch section, but don't do that if you don't need. Okay, and this is your structure. Also, you can change it just like here, or you can hover over here and change your structure just like this. Always you can reset it to be 50-50 again. Okay, this is layout section. Then here you have the style section. There you can change the background if you want to be normal, and you can set the image, the gradient, video, or slideshow, or you can change the background type for hover. Beneath you have the background overlay. Beneath is border. You can set border on normal and on hover. This is border types, pixels for width, and box shadow. Also, here you have the shape divider for top and bottom. This is the different types of shape. For example, let's set the mountains and set color to be this shade of dark, or dark black actually, or blue, just like here. Okay, again, take your time and experiment with those values and colors. And for last, we have the typography options for this section. Okay, besides style and layout, we have advanced tab, and here you can change the margin in pixels, EMs, percentage, or rems. Also, here you can do the settings for desktop, for tablet, and for mobile. Okay, here you can change the padding, you can change the z-index, or you can add the specific CSS ID or CSS class and target those IDs and classes in custom CSS. In the free version of Elementor, you can't use custom CSS. If you want to do that, go to Pro. It is the same way for attributes. But you can change the responsiveness, you can change the reverse columns, and to change visibility, to hide on desktop, tablets, and so on. Don't forget animations. Here you can add different types of animations for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Again, take your time and experiment with those animations here. Okay, this is all for our section. Then you can edit the column. We have the left and right column, and if you click here, you can change this just left column with the same settings, just like the settings for whole section. And also you can change the background color just for this column. You see this here you can set the image, background overlay, border, or you can change the typography. Okay, also you have advanced sections for each column separately. Okay, now let's go to elements, and for example, I'm going to explain you what's this inner section, but before, let's add some heading to our column. Let's change it. Custom heading. Here you can change the alignment, you can add the link, change the HTML tag. In styles, you can change the text color. Here, this is the global colors. Then you can change the typography, you can add text shadow, or you can change the blend mode. For example, also here with margin, you can change the space between this text and the top border. Let me show you. For example, let's set 50 pixels, or you can change it to EMs, percentage, and so on. Okay. Then let me show you the power of inner section. For example, in this left column, you need one title, and then you need two more fields beneath that. How you can achieve that? Let's use the inner section. Just click here and drag in position and drop beneath our heading or the top, but we need beneath. And in this left column, we have two more columns, and you can add in the first one. For example, let's add some image. Let's drag image here. and choose this mountain, for example. And there you need some text. Let's move the text editor. This is the dummy text. I don't want to change it. And beneath those dummy text, of course, you can change, if you click here, you can change the text color, fonts, and other features. Okay, the OceanWP theme has the, I think, yeah, Google libraries, fonts from Google libraries, and you can find it here. Okay, beneath this text, let's add another section, another element. For example, this will be bottom. And if you need more space between those two, you can add this spacer. Okay, but we don't need it. Also, if you hover over on this element and if you click right mouse button, you can edit the spacer, duplicate it, copy, paste style, reset style, and you can activate the navigator, just like here. You can show or hide your sections, your elements, and you can delete this specific element. Okay, guys, this is all for today's video. In next one, I will show you more of this section, but for now, this is the introduction for section options and columns options, because you can find different options for images, text, and buttons. But I don't want this video to be too long. I will make another video with more explanation, with more elements explained. Okay, if this video is helpful to you, if you like it, subscribe to my channel, support my work, leave some comments if you want. Thank you for watching me, and see you in next tutorial. Bye bye.